Bunta Fujiwara hit us up. He said, my whip, it's looking a little decrepit. I need it fixed up. So now we got it here. What we got right there, what's that? That's overnighted parts from Japan. What's that right there? Spoon engine, right? We're hooking this thing up. First things first, body kit. Body kit. So, we gotta blow this front end off. I gotta get the bumper cover off, fenders. I'm gonna leave the hood on for now because I think we're gonna use the hood. And we're gonna test fit some fiberglass stuff, and we've all seen my luck with that type of thing. So we'll see how well this stuff fits, and just kind of go from there.
Much better than the fucking
Focus shit, dude. I'll take that all day. push the back in a little bit as I tighten it down. So these fenders actually fit really nice, just straight out of the box. It had little dimples where the holes were supposed to be drilled. And you can see, like, in some of the spots, I had to drill them in different areas because the little dimples didn't line up perfectly. But all in all, the gaps are really nice. They look really good. So 10 out of 10 for whatever company that is that made these. Yeah. Next up, we're gonna do the front bumper. We got brand new OEM bumper support beam to go in to replace this rusted out, crusty one that's all hacked up. And this is the US market one that has the crash beam. That one obviously doesn't have the crash beam. So I'm gonna get this thing pulled off and we're gonna see how to mount this front bumper, because I mean, there's no mounting holes or anything like that. So just gonna wing it. I mean, there's 2 holes right there. We could do 2 clips. It probably got a little bit warped in shipping in the box and sitting. The edge is probably a little bowed out from it sitting in the box for so long. But once we get it out in the sun for a couple days, if we, fix these together, the resin will heat up and this will probably settle back to where it's supposed to be. So what I'm gonna do to get this thing affixed, on the bottom here, on this crash beam, there's a little tab that sits underneath the headlights. And there's 2 holes you can easily access from the bottom here. Can you see them, or?
Not really, but I'll show them afterwards.
Yeah. So there's 2 holes right here you can easily access. And I'm gonna go ahead and drill those out so we can put some pop clips and flat pop clips later on. For now, I'll probably just zip tie it so that we don't have to keep taking the clips in and out. So in order to do these overlay panels on the quarters, the glass, I believe, has to come out because they have little flanges that go up against the pinch weld under the glass, and then I believe the glass would mount back over it and everything. We can use some rivets to affix it to the pinch weld back there, and then the urethane will make up for the difference in the thickness of the panel there. But I don't have tools to take out quarter glass, so we're gonna have to call our homie Beck to come and pull the quarter glass out on this thing so that I can start the quarters on this. So for now, I have the vents and everything taken out of this hood, and there's a lot of, it looks like someone tried to spray paint, like spray paint clear coat over top of this to like get rid of the sun fade, and obviously they didn't do a very good job. And then the paint's like kind of cracking everywhere. It's really hard to see. So So I'm just gonna strip this hood down and epoxy it and just kind of start from the ground up. So we're gonna get this hood off, and I'll go ahead and brush it with some paint stripper, and we'll get this thing epoxied.